What is up, everyone? This is my dog Emperor Kuzco. My name's Kyle, and today we are exploring Oregon, trying to find new places to camp, going on some hikes. I'm showing you the new build on my Troopy Runner, and we're gonna be cooking some food.
Yo, what's up? We're on the road again. Yeah, dude. Oh man, it's been so long. I've been in Washington I got there in December, and then I went to rehab in January, and I was kind of like recovering from rehab during February, and then working on the Dolphin in March, April. And dude, we're back on the road. I'm not in the Dolphin, as you see. I'm taking the Troopy Runner. We're at 312,000 miles right now. I'm taking her to Texas. Let's go. Shout out to my girls at Cozy Cup. They make it right. Kuzco's a superstar over there. Isn't that right, little Coos? Isn't that right, little Coos? Yo, man, he got room. Anyways, guys. Man, I just closed it, man. That's what he does every time. He's like, yo, man, I'll look out the window. Kuzco! Feels like you're running at an incredible rate. Oh, man. Dead guy.
Beer for the homies, Modelo. Rest in peace, my friend. You know, when I first met my ex-girlfriend's family, I brought them one of those Catholic candles, even though she's Christian, just for a joke. It was pretty funny. At least I thought it was. Who's king? Come on, let this guy rest in peace. Dude, that's the Tri-Cities over there. See that mountain way out there? That's Rattlesnake Mountain. He's on the hunt. Get away from that maxi pad. Get in there, dog. Get in there. Good boy.
Hey, easy. Easy. Hey, are you hungry? Oh, you are hungry. Okay. This second. Power station. 100%. Dude, let's rock. That's so beautiful. Wow. Fresquinho.
Dude, there's still snow on the ground, bro. So we're like 2 hours from my destination, but this is a dope campground. I can camp here for free, and instead of driving 3 hours tomorrow, if I drove pretty much all day, I could probably make it to Utah. I don't know. I'm gonna plan some stuff. So can't camp here. All the camp spots are reserved, so we're going about 20 minutes down the road. The crevasse. It got to Kuzco. It's like, yes, yes, your leg. Nature. Kuzo, you stick out like a sore thumb. So yeah, we're gonna drive up. Then I'm gonna drive about 8 hours tomorrow, just so we can get to our destination. We're gonna find some BLM land or some dispersed camping up in Utah. That's the plan. Come on, let's go. Yeah. We'll see if my back can take 8 hours. It's quite a bit of driving. But we'll see. We shall see. Ow! We shall see. Come on, man. Come on, Kuzco. Come on. Let's go. I know this is your home. I know. I know. Kuzco. Come on, let's go. Come on, get up in there. That's a good boy. Come here. Oh. Want a treat? Squeeze me? Hey, squeeze me, Kuzco. Good. Oh. Let's roll. The other day, I had some of those root beer poppy drinks, and I had like 4 of them. And I googled like if having that many is like bad for you. And it said like you have to drink at least 4 to have the gut fiber that you need. So I was like, oh, well, I guess I'm drinking 6. That justifies everything for me. So none of the state parks were open, but I found this dope ass spot, dude. Right by the road, unfortunately, whatever. But there's a river right behind there. Kuzco's tied off right there. I'm gonna pop this top, dude. Jeez, I need to clean this up. And of course, for safety. We're good to go.
Eat your food, Kuzco. Eat your food. Yeah, that's all yours. All yours, Kuzco.
Good boy. It's starting to rain, but looks pretty clear. Well, you know, not rainy. We'll walk down there, check it out, and then eat some food. That's the plan.
Eat your food, Kuzco. Eat your food.
Good boy. He likes when you watch and when he eats his food.
Eat your food, Kuzco. Come on.
I know. Eat your food. Come on. Wanna go for a walk? Is that it? Let's go for a walk. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. He's like, I'm so close, Dad. You wanna check it out, Kuzco? We smell something. Yeah. You happy? Out in the woods again? Huh? Looks like. C'est quoi ça? Which is big enough to fish. I didn't bring my pole. But. I'll just head back. I'm starving, dude. I'm starving. Cook some food, relax. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. I love Oregon, dude. Oregon's the best for camping. So far, it's just amazing. It's so diverse, too. You can be in the desert. You can be in the thick-ass woods with some rivers. New Mexico's pretty good, but there ain't no water in New Mexico. It's not a bad thing. Alright, eat your food, Kuzco. Being real white with the spice tonight. I forgot my spices, dude. You know, 'cause white people love mayonnaise and they don't season their food. That's stereotyping. Kuzco's out there. You can kind of see him a little bit. Birds flying over. It's beautiful out, man. Dark. Oh. Chicken salad. Very good. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. I'm really happy with this interior setup. I still got to do, you know, some fine adjustments and stuff, but this is great. I got a power set up. I can charge it on the solar if I want, but if I don't want to charge it on the solar, it sends 200 to 500 watts to this Blue Yeti when I'm driving down the road. When I'm driving, it's always, especially if I'm driving more than like 2 hours, it's charged 100%. So it's like I don't even need solar panels. Fantastic. This is the bedding. And it just goes down. And the coolest part, I didn't even show you guys yet. The coolest part is the roof actually slides in down here, and so you can sleep down below with the top down. That's what these little tracks are. You plop them down, and then you have this whole area down here to sleep in. Oh man, dude. Oh, it's coming together. I still want to like pop my top in a Walmart parking lot. If I needed to camp in a Walmart parking lot, I can sleep down here. No one knows I'm sleeping down here. Comfortably. Kuzco. Hi, Kuzco. You want to come over here, Kuzco? You're kind of like stuck in there.
Did you burp, Kuzco? Is that so?
I'll move you in a second, buddy. Oh, but yeah, dude. I'm super stoked for tomorrow. Getting the road again. I'm really excited for the wedding, but I'm gonna be really excited coming back from the wedding. That's when I'm hitting up all those state parks, and it's gonna get wild. Pretty much, when I hit 24 states that one time, I lost half the footage. I lost like 5,000 miles worth of footage. Which, you know, it is what it is. Just gotta do it again. So, yeah. Yeah, dude. I'm super stoked. I'm really happy with this water setup, too. What's cool is you can actually move this to the back and then wash dishes in the back. Yeah, it's dope. It's pretty cool, man. Now, put this on.
I like it. Oh. Got my pillow down below. So this is gonna be my pillow. Good night. Say good night to Kuzco. Kuzco! He's upset with me. I don't know why. Kuzco! Kuzco. Kuzco.